Okay, so today I am showing what I've done for the exhaust. I purchased a Delkevic exhaust system for my CB650 Cafe Racer project. It fits the 1979, which I was excited about, and I just started. I put on some of the sealant they had, and the system itself, pretty easy to put together. It uses a spring-loaded connection instead of bolts, so I liked that. And then with the connection to the motor, at first I was a little bit concerned that it wouldn't be the right fit. It looked a little bit different than the stock motorcycle looked. The exhaust system connection is just a little bit different, but it fit. Actually, I think it fit really well and fit better than I think it would have with some of the parts that were a little old and a little bit oxidized, but it went right on. The slip-on came on, and it took a little bit of work. I did have to maneuver it just a bit to get it to connect it on the fit, but it got there. It came together, and honestly, I think it looks cool. It came together looking nice. I wanted to do a 4:2, but all I could find new was a 4:1, and so I went with it, tried it out. It looks cool. It's a little bit bigger on the back end than I would have wanted, but on the lower end purchase price, this is what I found. And honestly, it looks cool. It's going to get the job done. And it was a nice break because I'm still struggling through the electronics, trying to redo everything. And so I was excited to get something together, get some progress on this. And honestly, it wasn't very hard to do. I'll put a link in the notes of the site where I bought this. But pretty simple, and it was only the only option available for my motorcycle. But it fit on there and looks great. So thanks for watching.